As we all know, India is the second highest populated country in the world. As India is a developing country, population is one of its major problems. Due to this, the problem of unemployment arises, and COVID-19 pandemic is addition to all of its problems. India is on the verge to face a huge economic crisis, whose effect can be seen in the rise in price of essential commodities. The best example for this can be edible oil and petroleum. According to current scenario, gross domestic product GDP has become a huge problem for India. GDP is nothing but a final value of whole production of a country in a year. In India this year till now, GDP had a drastic fall of minus 24%, which is first time in Indian history. We can recover the GDP by increasing the rate of export and production. The money should be properly rotated between producers and consumers. Now let's move on to another big problem of India, which is unawareness. Yes, unawareness. Mostly we come to see awareness in only the people of India who are literate. One of the main reasons of the unawareness in India is illiteracy. There are many mediums to spread awareness about country and problems. Examples for this can be mainstream media. Mainstream media can play a major role in spreading awareness in people who are unaware about the problems. Mainstream media is the fourth pillar of democracy, but nowadays it focuses on the TRP rather than important issues of the country. Now let's move on to another big problem of India, which is suicides, deaths and data. In this pandemic, we came across many death and suicide cases which included farmers, doctors and migrant workers. Government claims that it has no data of migrant laborers who committed suicide and doctors dying. In lockdown, many daily wages lost their job. Suicide rate of daily wages is 7.4 and farmers is 23.4. Schemes such as PM Kisan and MSP mostly failed to work. It's so disheartening to listen this.
Another major crisis related to the PM CARES Fund is also arising. Firstly, PM CARES Fund is nothing but a collective donation for fight against coronavirus in India, which was released on 28 March 2020. The controversial fact is that it is not open to RTI, that is, Right to Information. Opposition parties are raising questions for transparency of PM CARES Fund. Many problems in India can be solved with the help of a strong opposition party only. Factually, PM CARES Fund receives Rs 3076 crore only in 5 days, whereas PMNRF, Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, has only Rs 2119 crore since 1948. Due to this, huge debates and controversies are raising between PMNRF and PM CARES Fund. Concluding with this huge crisis, we can easily understand the current situation of India. In spite of focusing on such serious topic, the youth is giving more importance to other invaluable tasks. Our former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam well said, "Youths are not useless, they are useless." This means the skills of the youth should be utilized to tackle the country's major problems. Thank you.